everybody was there hanging out. Now you don't talk so well. Now you don't seem so proud. Even happy to screw you. You next me. How does it feel? How does it feel to be without a home, complete alone, like you're all in a stone? Are you to define the school or right slowly, but you know you only used to care. You're sitting here. Nobody ever told you how to live your street, and now you're gonna have to get used to it. You say you never compromise. The mystery trauma, now you realize. Are you selling any advice? And he's turning to the big of his eyes. Say, do you want to make a deal? How does it feel? How does it feel to be without a home in no direction zone, like you're all in a stone? Like you're all in a stone. Finish good.